Are we all ready?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So first things first, let's get our math book, please. Math book, please.
Okay.
Everybody got your math book? Very good. Okay, we are going to be going to page, let me see.
27.
I think we're on page 28. Let me look quickly.
How many?
Oh, yes, no, we're not doing page 27. We're not doing page 27. So we're going straight to page 28. Page 28. Okay, are we all ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So yesterday we learned about 2D shapes, so flat shapes. So yesterday we did the flat shapes. Today we're doing solid shapes. So these are called solid shapes, also known as 3D shapes. So we have solid shapes, or we call them 3D shapes. So first shape we're going to look at are these shapes at the bottom, right over here. These are called cuboids. Cuboids. Yes, very good. Cuboids. Now, with our solid shapes, they have faces. So it has a face. And you see the face? These are the faces. And you see the faces? Now, a cuboid has flat faces. A cuboid has 6 flat faces. So it has 6 faces. Okay, so a cuboid has 6 flat faces. Okay, let's move on to our next shape. Here is our next shape. And if you remember, this is called a face. Face. And now these shapes are called cubes. Cubes. So these are called cubes. Okay, now a cube has flat faces. A cube also has 6 flat faces. So cube and cuboids have 6 flat faces. Okay, let's move on. So next, I'd like you to go to page 29. 29. Please go to page 29. Okay, let's look at page 29. Let me move this up quickly. There we go. Okay, page 29. Have a look at these shapes. These shapes are called cylinders. So these are called, get rid of that quickly. These are called cylinders. Cylinders. Okay. Now our cylinder has flat faces. Can you see the flat faces? So we have 1 and 2 flat faces. Our cylinder also has a curved face. Curved face. So over here, this is the curved face. So at the top, we have the flat faces. And at the bottom and on the sides, we have the curved face. Okay. So a cylinder has flat faces. A cylinder has 1, 2 flat faces. Can you see them? 1 and 2. And then they have curved face. Curved face. They have 1 curved face. Can you see the 1 curved face? So 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. Okay, let's move on to our next shape. At the bottom, we have cone. Cone, like an ice cream cone. These are called cones. Now our cone has flat face. Can you see the flat face? This is called the flat face and curved face. Here's the curved face. So the flat face, curved face. Okay, so it says at the bottom, a cone has flat face. It has one flat face. Can you see it? One flat face. And curved face. It has one curved face. Okay, so one more time. These are called cylinders. They have two flat faces and one curved face. These are called cones. It has one flat face and one curved face. Okay, let's move on. Next shape. Next shape. This is nice and easy. These are called spheres. Spheres. Now a sphere is like a ball. Imagine a ball. That is what a sphere is. Now our sphere has curved face. No flat faces, just a curved face. So a sphere has curved face, only one curved face. Can you see the curved face? So remember, a sphere is like a ball. Okay, who is writing in the chat? Pim, please stop writing in the chats. Thank you. Okay, let's move on. So one more time, this is a sphere and it has one curved face. Okay, let's carry on. Next one. Okay, so there's no book for this shape. We don't have a book for this shape. Okay, students, I see lots of people are writing in the chats. Please stop writing in the chats. It makes the video very hard to do because this bar keeps coming up. So please don't write in the chats. Okay, so let's have a look at our next shape. Okay, this shape is called a triangular pyramid. So one more time, triangular pyramid. Last time, triangular pyramid. Okay, so let's look at our triangular pyramid. So many people are writing in the chat. Students, please don't write in the chats. Okay, so our triangular pyramid. Okay, our triangular pyramid has 4 triangular faces. Can you see the triangle? So it has 1, 2, 3, and then 1 at the back, 4. So our triangular pyramid has 4 triangular faces. So 4 triangular faces, and this is called a triangular pyramid. Okay, very good, everyone. Let's move on to our next shape. No book for this shape. This shape is just called a pyramid. Pyramid. Okay, one more time, pyramid. So let's look at our pyramid. Our pyramid has 4 triangular faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangular faces and 1 square face. 1 square face. So let's look at them again. 4 triangular faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 square face, which is here at the bottom, square face. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so students, next I'd like you to please get your workbooks. Workbooks, please. Workbooks, please. Please get your workbooks. Okay, in our workbooks, we're going to page, oh, come on, page, there we go. Page 25, page 25. Okay, we're going to do drawing today. So make sure we have our pencils ready. Okay, so let's have a look on page 25. Everybody on page 25? Okay, I think we're all ready. I'm just going to have a look at everybody. Okay. So on page 25, we're going to do exercise 1. It says knowing solids. So we need to know our shapes. So it says trace over the solids and name them. So we need to trace our shape. So let's do A first. So first I want you to trace out the shape. And then we need to name it. So if you remember, this shape, shape A, is called a pyramid. So I'd like you to write the word pyramid for A. The spelling for pyramid is P-Y-R-A-M-I-D. Pyramid. So we need to trace the shapes and write the word pyramid. I'm going to give everyone a chance, and then I'm going to move on to number B, or letter B. Okay, let's see how everyone's doing. Very good, everybody. Okay, next, let's do B. So we're going to trace the shape for B. And B is called a cuboid. 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 So I'd like you to write the word cuboid. Spell cuboid, it's C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Cuboid. Okay. Let's see how everyone's doing. Everyone's doing fine. That's good. Okay, very good. Okay, let's move on to C. So first we trace the shape for C. And C is called a cylinder. Cylinder. C is a cylinder. To spell cylinder, it's C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. Cylinder. Okay, let's see how everyone's doing. Everyone's writing, very good. Okay, everyone's doing good. Okay, let's do D. Next time we're going to do D. D. So we're going to trace out D. Okay, so D has 4 triangular faces. And this is called a triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. D is a triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. Okay. Triangular pyramids are long words. I'll give everyone a chance to write down. Okay, let's move on to our next one. E. I hope everyone's ready. E, so let's trace E first. E is called a cone. Cone, like an ice cream cone. Cone. And to spell cone, it's C-O-N-E. Cone. Cone. How you doing, Rain?
Yes.
What letter are you on? A, B, C, D, or E?
E.
E, okay.
E. Down. E down.
E down, this one. Okay. We're going to do F. F, so first we trace F. And F is called a cube. 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 Cube is C-U-B-E. Cube. Cube.
เลื่อนไม่ได้
Cube. Okay, we'll wait for everyone to finish. And we're going to have a look to see if everyone's finished. Okay, looks like everyone's doing good. Okay, very good. Okay. Is everybody finished? I don't think so. I still see people writing. We're going to wait a bit longer. Let's have a look. Tonam, are you finished? Okay. Good job, Tonam. Very good. Namo, are you finished? Are you finished, Namo? You can unmute. Are you finished, Namo? Okay, I think Namo's finished. Okay, I think everybody is finished. Okay, so next we're going to go to page 26. Page 26. Page 26, please. Page 26. Okay, on page 26. Okay, are we ready? Okay, so page 26, we have, here are some solid shapes. So here are our solid shapes. Let's go over them. So we have a cylinder, sphere, cone, pyramid, triangular pyramid, and a cube. Okay, so we need to read the description below. So we need to read and write the correct letter in the boxes. So we need to write the correct letter, these letters in these boxes. Okay, so first let's look at A. So we're going to read A. So A says, I have 6 faces. So one more time. I have 6 faces. All of my faces are squares. So I have 6 faces and all of my faces are squares. So we need to look for the cube. So let's look for the cube over here. This is the cube. So we need to write the letter A underneath the cube. So A is a cube. So A is the cube. Okay. Oh. There we go. Sorry, students. Go back. Back. Wrong way. Come on. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay. B. B says, I have 2 flat faces. So I have 2 flat faces. So the only shape with 2 flat faces is the cylinder. So we're going to write B for cylinder. B is the cylinder. So I'd like you to write the letter B for cylinder. B. Okay, let's do C. So C says, I have 4 triangular faces. Now in your book says 5 triangular faces, but there was an error in the book. So the book is meant to say 4 triangular faces. So C says, I have 4 triangular faces. So the only shape with 4 triangular faces is the triangular pyramid, this guy over here. So we're going to write C under our triangular pyramid. Okay, let's look at D. D says, I have 1 circular face. So 1 circular face. So our pyramid has no circular face. Our sphere has no circular face. So it must be our cone. So our cone has the circular face. You see it at the top? So I'd like you to write D under the cone. So D. D. Next. Okay, next students, we're going to do E. So E says, I have 4 triangular faces. So 4 triangular faces and 1 rectangular face. Okay, so our sphere does not have a triangular face, but our pyramid does. Our pyramid has the 4 triangular faces and 1 rectangular face. So we're going to write E underneath our pyramid. So I'm going to write E underneath the pyramid. Okay, so our last one, F. So F says, I have no flat faces. So no flat faces. And the only shape left is our sphere. So I'd like you to write the letter F under our sphere. Write the letter F under sphere. Okay, so we're going to go over them one more time. So cylinder is B, sphere is F, cone is D, pyramid is E, triangular pyramid is C, and our cube is A. Okay, students, is everyone done? Let me see. Yes, it looks like everybody's finished. Okay, students, we are finished. Please take photos of your work and send it to me. Thank you very much, everybody. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. I'm going to take another photo. I want everyone to wave goodbye. So everybody wave. Bye-bye. I'm going to take a photo. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.